At Ampelmann, we work towards continuous improvement and strive for a sustainable future. In this first episode, you will learn more on how we set the standards in the electric transition of our systems. How does it work? And how does it affect the future of offshore energy? Let's find out.
My name is Marcel Grotensrink and I'm the project manager within Ampelmann, within the innovations department. And I work together with my team to develop systems from a blank sheet of paper or an idea into a system which is fully tested on the quayside or even offshore on a vessel.
The history of a fleet started in 2008 with an A-type. Before it was all prototyping, but in 2008 we had a real A-type. A-type is really our main product, and then we developed an E-type, which is basically a bigger A-type, capable of handling more waves. And then we built a L-type, which is a smaller version to put on small vessels.
We set a base there with that L-type. We have set a base with respect to using electrics as a technique to drive our systems. In that sense, the L-type is our first electric system which set a base for also the future. So the W-type, which we are also currently developing, has in a way also its origins in this L-type. And we try to design new systems, but we try to do that in a modular way.
Our engineers, they love this puzzle on creating a system which is capable of doing these things. So also internally, it's a huge step to develop these systems.
We are focusing more on building blocks and how we can combine those building blocks into a new system and reusing those building blocks to define another system. What do we need to combine in order to make sure we introduce reliability, techniques which are known throughout the company, and introducing that reliability also introduces a safe machine, essentially.
Electrifying our fleet, it's a huge potential for us. It's a positive drive for engineering to get this done, to get a whole portfolio on electric technology.
Working on such a project, you have actually multiple teams, but the engineering team is also a multidisciplinary team. We have motion control engineers, we have production specialists, we have mechanical design engineers and structural engineers.
With this new electric portfolio, we hope to set a new standard in a market that you can put people across and cargo across in this safe manner and use this tiny bit of power to get the job done. Still, Ampelmann is a service provider, so what we do great is giving a service around our systems. And being able to standardize your portfolio, all your systems on the same technology, will give a huge benefit also for our clients.
It's really important for us to be in touch with external clients because they will use them, but also with our operations department because they have experience using those systems as well. So environments change, markets change, and what we do is throughout those years, throughout this development, we keep close contact with clients externally but also internally to make sure we are still fulfilling those needs, because that's what it's about.